Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. Today I'm going to show you a few pieces from Brunello Cucinelli, the first drop from fall that I can find. I'm going to talk about pricing, fit, styling, and so on. I do have a new microphone, as many of you have been asking me to do for a very long time. So hopefully the audio quality will be a little bit better here. So this is actually the very first piece I was going to show you. And when I do the mirror shot, you'll be able to see it. So very basic sweatshirt, it's $12.50. Matching pants are $18.50. Well, I'm not so sure they match. I'll show you what they look like. But I just want to do a quick overview of what you'll be seeing in this video so you know if this is one for you or not. So just a heads up, there were a lot of things to try. I did not try anything that looked like it belonged in the holiday collection. I didn't try anything that was too thick. If fabric is, you have to practically use two hands to get it to move, I'm not going to purchase it. So I'm not even wasting my time to try it. And if you would like me to do that in the future, to try them anyway, just leave a comment for me and I will do my best to add those into my videos. But yeah, for me, it's just not gonna work. So this is a cardigan. It kind of looks like it belongs in spring. In fact, I may be mistaken, but I think I saw it on sale at Saks. We'll see about that. This one I'm gonna show you on, but I did get this on sale at Saks. So just something to be, first of all, this one's really big. So just something to be aware of. I do check them. This is a small. I bought an extra small and it fit great. You can see how wide this is. I'll try it on to show you, but I got it 40% off online. So definitely if there's pieces that you like, you can even shop while you're at the store. You can just browse really quick. I don't know if they match if you were to find it somewhere. I don't know if they'll do that. I've never actually tried it, but I do know that Brunello goes on sale more often at the department stores than I see at the store. So something to keep in mind to save us some money because these are really pricey pieces. So this one was $2,100 without the discount, without the sale. And this cardigan, to go back on pricing here, is $2,500. It has some sequin detail in it. I'm really trying to find anything that's not fashion forward, the Chanel stuff that, after a couple of seasons, you can tell it was from, I don't know, Coco Crush 2022. And not that it's not cool anymore, but it just, it's not so appealing. So I'm trying to not buy that anymore. So you'll see my propensity when I'm talking about price, value, and so on, and quality. You'll see that I'm going to start changing my goal a little bit. So simple sweater, pretty cool neck detail. One of their signatures, as always. I forgot what this is called. Some of you will remember. I read it on one of the pairs of shoes. So I'll figure it out. I'll put it in the comments. This is $24.95. Pretty expensive for a sweatshirt, so it better be awesome. This is not heavy. Looks almost like it could be a pair of sweats. It's a size small. It's $18.50. And it is, I am not totally sure, for all of you ladies that are taller than me at 5'4", this is going to be probably an ankle length pant. And I would probably need to have this taken up. And I don't know how it's going to fit being so wide and me being so short. So we'll see how that looks. Another pair of pants here that we will look at together. Not quite super organized today. This is a size 40 and these are $23.50. I think they may be the type that kind of rubs when you walk. So we'll see. Again, pretty wide leg, elastic waist, for nights you feel like overeating a little bit, I guess. Everyone likes a nice elastic waist pant here and there. This almost looks like denim. Well, it looks like it should be denim, but it's not. So this is a dark gray, actually. It doesn't look like it, but it's a dark gray. It says blouse in a size small. It's $25.50. And yeah, Grigio. So it's a gray, but it looks denim style. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll try it. These look a little bit more, I guess, modern in some way. Let me see the price and size here. So we're going to be trying on a 38. Clearly, my SA thinks they run big. $2,100 is the price. And they have, again, they're shorter on the length. Wide leg, and then there's a lot of yellow detailing throughout. You can probably see that in the stitching here. And there's a tiny bit of stretch, just a little bit. So we'll see how that is. And then finally, I'm going to try, this is a little too preppy for me, but I'm going to try this one and just to show you all how it looks. Who knows? Sometimes the pieces that I think are going to suck are actually the best. So we'll find out. This is an extra small and it's $17.95. Looks to me like it should be part of spring. I know they had a private sale. Maybe some of the things were on it. I don't know. But all right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started and we'll try these on together. All right, so here's the first piece that I had tried on when I was seated, just to show you, 1850. Here's what it looks like from the back, pretty straightforward sweatshirt. So now, you know, what's with the pants? And I know, well, do they even match? Let me show you and let's take a look. All right, so these look like mom pants, big time. So they're basically straight leg all the way down. You can see in the mirror how they are hanging, how they're falling. And all right, so like, let's dissect this a little bit. First of all, it looks like the fabric should match, but it doesn't quite. If you're really looking for a true match, like a jogger set, it doesn't quite line up. I don't know why. Here's what it looks like from the back. So I don't like high waist. To get this to fit right, I have to pull it up. And I don't know. I just don't know. They're not $2,000 pants, that's for sure. So not in my opinion. So this is a size small. This is a small. Probably need to do an extra small if I'm going to keep the sweatshirt. Sweatshirt I think is kind of cool. Pants, not as much unless they had a little bit of a different style. So let me try on the next couple of pieces and we'll continue on. So back here, this is, I have to remember I don't need to yell anymore. I'm used to projecting my voice so much that I would almost need a nap after doing these videos without a mic. So hopefully this is better. You can still hear me and I can calm down. So this is the extra small. And let me show you what it looks like up front. It's my little guy. Looks okay. Nothing too exciting. Here's what I don't like. And many of you may notice this. There's a line here, right? And I know there's pockets up here, but there's a line here that's just not so flattering. It doesn't fall. If you're going to add them, it doesn't really fall in the right spot. They either needed to line everything or not line it here. So something's just not quite right. In light, you can see it looks like you're wearing a bandeau underneath. Not so flattering. Here's what it looks like from the back. Definitely size down because it's an extra small and it fits great. These pants are a 40. Not the most comfortable. They're elastic waist, but they're kind of an uncomfortable elastic waist. If that makes any sense. Let me show you what they look like. All right, so I think I've tried on a similar pair for a video in the past, but they're just not like, I mean, everything with Brunello kind of makes your behind look decent, right? But it's, they're following a wide leg. So you can see in the mirror, they're kind of a wide leg pant. It's just not a pair of pants that I think I need to have in my wardrobe. Not super exciting. And there's a little bit of stretch to them. And then of course you have the elastic waist if that's what you're looking for. So I'm going to try on something else. I'll try it on with these pants. You can see how the top looks and we'll continue going. Okay, I had mentioned that I got this in an extra small on Saks, on clearance, or sale. Definitely do that if you like this. So this is a small, it's super huge, like in a very unflattering way. Here's what the neckline looks like. Here's the back. I love my extra small. It fits well, it feels nice. Price was better. This one is not doing so hot. So just my recommendation, if you do like it, the detail, the style, pick it up on one of your department store websites. All right, this is our small Western attire. By the way, the lighting's getting a little crappy in here, so I apologize. Things are brighter than they look, but doing what we can here with Mother Nature. So it is dark gray and it is Western style. Very uncomfortable and too tight, and it's really scratchy and itchy. So definitely pass on this myself. Here's what it looks like in the back. One thing they did a great job in, as you can see, is pulling in the waist, properly darted and so on in the back to allow for nice shape on the body. So let me try another top and keep going. All right, next piece. I will admit I had one heck of a time getting this guy on. This chain around the neck looks kind of cool. It is not very practical. So yeah, I don't recommend this one. It's just not all that comfortable or cool looking for the price, in my opinion. This is a size small. Here's what the back looks like. It's very oversized here, which is fine, but it's oversized. And then really tight here. So execution, not so great for this particular piece. And it's been so long since I've done one of these, I forgot to do the looks, the wearability, and the value. So I'm gonna count on all of you in the comments to tell me, are any of these looks pieces that you're going to go try to find? All right, I have like 4 more. I think 4 more, 3 more to try. 1 sweater and 2 pairs of pants, and then we'll be wrapped up. Okay, this is a medium. It's too big. I do think it's on sale somewhere. So if you like it, check it out. I think the color with my skin tone and hair, it makes it pop a bit. So I am kind of a fan of the sweater. Actually, when I first opened the box, my two favorite pieces were the gray sweatshirt and this. So maybe instincts are getting a little tiny bit better. So here's what the back looks like. And I just think it needs to be an extra small, maybe. Probably at least a small. If I let it hang, it's like down to here. So I have it pulled up just for the video, but it's pretty large. So now I'm going to show you what the two pair of pants look like. Let me just pull this guy up because it is hot in here. And so I'll show you the pants, this one and one other pair, and we'll be wrapped up. All right, so here's the pants. And, not bad. They actually fit without needing tailoring, which is kind of nice and a little bit unusual. The drawstring's actually usable. Sometimes, as you know, they're just kind of there for decoration, decorative purposes. Actually kind of like these a bit. I like how they're shaped. They remind me of Rudy, R-U-T-I, Rudy's pants. The shape, how they're out to the side and then they come back in. They kind of look like that to me. And here's what it looks like from the back. So, I don't know. The only downside is to get them where they need to be, like, higher up, like they're supposed to sit. It makes, you don't have much of a rise here. So it pulls up too much. So again, execution, suboptimal, but the design's kind of cool. So I just think that they're a little bit flawed in this particular season. So, all right, let me try one more and then we'll be finished up. All right, so I thought maybe these pants were running big and that's why my essay sent a 38. I think she sent a 38 because they ran out of bigger sizes, so they are way too small for me. Remember that this is like, if you're wearing a 38 in Chanel, you'll need a 40 from Brunello, usually, not always, but usually. So they look in the back. Again, they do a great job with making your butt look good, so that's always a nice thing. But everything else, including the fabric, for me, it's a thumbs down. So, okay, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your comments and feedback as always. Thank you for helping me grow this, by the way, to over 4,000 subscribers. I woke up one day, logged in, and my daughter was like, holy crap. So thank you so much, everybody, for your feedback and your support and for sharing this channel on, many of you have shared it on Quora and many other places and Facebook groups and so on. It really helps grow it. So thank you. I appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I look forward to your comments on these pieces. Take good care.